Excitement is in our nature. Nurturing the soul is in our nature. Immersing in the science around us is in our nature. Using lessons from past for a bright future is in our nature. Problem solving is in our nature. Right from consuming to conserving is in our nature. Cultivation is in our nature. Channeling the melody within is in our nature. Practicing what we preach is in our nature. Nature is the mother of all creations, even education. We use the theory of school outdoor learning to practically inspire, engage, and educate our students. Learning is natural, but evolution is in our nature.